Well, welcome back to Texas Today, 5:13 as you're waking up on this St. Patrick's Day morning. Hopefully a lot of you wearing your green today.
I know who's not. My fingers are ready for you, girl. You got pink toes. I mean, green toes or something.
Don't you come over here trying to pinch on me, Mike. I don't got time for that today. But as we start off our Monday morning, once again, we are dealing with the threat for wildfire danger over our area, continuing to deal with the very dry conditions and breezy winds, mainly along and west of I-35 is where that red flag warning is in effect. But for our entire viewing area, be sure to avoid outdoor burning because all of us will encounter gusty winds today. Between 11 a.m. this morning through 9 o'clock tonight, that's when that red flag warning will be in place. Again, we have that threat for wildfire danger. That's why that warning continues. Like I mentioned, dry out there and not seeing any rain in the forecast until the end of the week. We're not going to get any relief from precipitation dealing with the dry conditions, and breezy winds continue to pick up because we're awaiting yet another cold front system crossing. So be sure to take heed to all burn bans. Don't spark any fires, and making sure that you're disposing of your smoking items properly. I can't stress it enough to avoid outdoor burning altogether throughout the rest of the week because another week of gusty winds up to 30 miles per hour and over. That's the case stepping into our afternoon today. And once those wind gusts pick up to 30 miles per hour by Monday afternoon, they're not going to let up even into early Tuesday morning. Still seeing much of the same case, and winds could gust even over that 30 mile per hour mark through the entire day tomorrow. That is the chance as well. But by Tuesday afternoon, we're going to see wind gusts even higher, nearing 35 miles per hour and over that mark. So we're talking winds near 40 miles per hour as we step into our Tuesday afternoon, and then even by the night, still dealing with the same thing. So breezy conditions last as we await our next cold front crossing. That will be late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. And with that, wind gusts are still near 30 miles per hour all day on Wednesday also. So breezy conditions in store once again. And as we await that cold front system crossing, we are going to stay warm. That's the case today and tomorrow, dealing with highs in the mid to low 80s. Once that front crosses though into Wednesday, highs fall into the mid to low 70s for Wednesday, Thursday, but then temperatures warming right back up into Friday and Saturday, returning to the mid to low 80s. So just a few days where we'll see temperatures in the 70s throughout this week, and then we're warm back into the 80s. As we wake up out the door this morning, it's a nice start to the day. It feels like 45 degrees with the current temperature of 49. It's a bit cool out there though, because wind speeds are already near 10 miles per hour heading out the door for your Monday morning. Planning out your entire day, we're going to hang on to those mid to upper 90s through the early half of our morning, getting ready to step into lunchtime at 65 degrees and mostly sunny conditions out there. 78 closing out our lunchtime hour, and highs increase up to 83 degrees. Again, a very warm and breezy day lies ahead of us, and even through the night, we're going to hang on to those warm conditions as temperatures are in the upper 60s throughout 11 p.m. As we plan out our next 7 days, we're talking warm and windy conditions once again. Almost looks just like last week as we deal with the breezy winds and cold front systems crossing. Our next chance of rainfall will move in by Sunday, bringing us some isolated thunderstorms. Your 6 News Weather Impact team will keep you informed approaching our next chance of rainfall, as well as dealing with the threat for wildfire danger this week. All you have to do is download our free 6 Plus app to your TVs to keep up with continued coverage available throughout the day.